My name is Abid Latif, and I'm looking after here in K-Pack Pvt Ltd for all the projects with reference to the green initiatives, alternative energies, and carbon capture. So, in this regard, we took this initiative or going into the solar, and we decided to go in phases. So, after a post competitive bidding, we were fortunate to get in touch with a professional team of Hadron Solar, and they gave us a very good competitive bidding, and also post bidding experience went very well. So we went first with a 44 kilowatt, and then we also added up another for 20 more. So now our initiative of the 62 kilowatt solar is going pretty well. Their deliverables were on time, and they also gave us a good operation and maintenance for the first year. And we will definitely look after keeping in view their good performance and up to the mark supportive roles whenever we call them. And also in future, whenever we go more towards in this area, we will definitely involve them. Be it the sales or the marketing or the engineering team, they were on target, and they also kept their customer on focus. Customer centricity was there, and we thoroughly enjoyed working with them. They were cordial, friendly, and we will recommend them to anyone who will ask us for any kind of a reference about them. All the best to them.